Another cool feature on the multi-function gauge is troll mode. So for troll mode, you simply need to pop the boat into gear, hold your finger on the menu button for 3 seconds, and it will pop up and say, do you want to start troll mode? We select yes by hitting the set button, and it's now in troll mode. So to increase the RPM of the engine, we can do that just by pushing the up button to the selected RPM that we want, in this case 1100 RPM, and the motor will automatically move itself up and retain at that speed. This is a great feature if you're fishing, particularly if you're trolling lures and things like that. You can set your speed perfectly so you don't miss those big fish.